Today, we will be doing the healing for the most amazing relationship in our life. I know we want to work on many relationships to make them better. But if you work on this one relationship and heal whatever negativity is there, I promise all your relationships will flourish. So let's take this opportunity to do the Ho'Oponopono Chanting for self. Please follow the steps which I'm mentioning and do it along with me. You can use your headsets for better results. Sit back, relax, and take a deep, long breath and release. Sit in a very comfortable position and make sure there is no disturbance around you. Let's start the chanting for self. Please repeat after me. I'm sorry, my dear self, for doubting you always. I'm really sorry for not believing in the most beautiful person on this planet Earth. I'm really sorry for taking you for granted. Please forgive me for not spending time with you and stating that I'm very busy. Please forgive me for not knowing your dreams, your aspirations, your desires, and what you actually want from life. Please forgive me for not connecting with you more often. I thank you, dear self, for being with me since the day I was born. I'm so thankful to you to be with me still when I give you the least importance. I know how you might be feeling, but I want to take this opportunity today to tell you how important you are in my life. Dear self, you are the most important person in my life. I love you. I love you, dear self. I love you the most. I love spending time with you. I love understanding what you like and what you don't like. I love knowing more about you. Thank you so much for taking care of me even when I left you. I know at the end of my life, the only person who will remain with me is you. So thank you for being with me from the time I'm born till the time I'm there on the earth. I promise I'll take care of you. I'll give you time and I'll spend my most important moments with you. Thank you so much. Dear self, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Now take a deep breath in and release. You may slowly open your eyes. So, if any one of you is coming on my channel for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe because I'll be making many such videos on Ho'Oponopono Chanting for your health, for your relationships, career, and money, which may benefit you. If you like the video, please press the like button. Please share it with 3 of your friends who need to hear this today. And please press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload any such videos. Thanks for listening.